Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to translate Wattpad stories in any language, guys, step by step, and it's really easy and simple. So first things first, you can open up Wattpad, log in if you haven't already, and now what you want to do, open up a new tab, and then just search for Chrome Web Store, okay? Search for Chrome Web Store, and just open up the first link, go ahead and access the Chrome Web Store, and I'm going to show you which extension to search for. The extension, guys, is called Google Translate, and it's free. Okay, it's really good. It can work with a lot of languages. I'm gonna show you how we can, translate these Wattpad stories. Click on Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension, and it will start downloading the extension immediately, guys. It's almost done downloading the extension right here, and soon, as you can see right here, I'm gonna pin this to my Chrome. Okay, now when you're in Wattpad, you want to choose a story that you want to translate. Let me choose something that would be a little bit, let's say, YouTube friendly, guys. So we're going to pick this one. It's called Experiment Zero Lab. So we're going to start reading right here. This is an English story. That's fine. We'll translate it to another language. Okay, so here you go. This is the story right here. It's in English. We're going to translate it. Come here, click on Google Translate right here. Now, what you want to do, guys, is we're going to be translating this whole page. Okay, this whole page right here, guys, we're going to be translating, and it's really, really easy and simple. So come here, click on these three dots at the top right hand corner. Scroll down, you'll see this option right here that says translate. Click on this. Now we have detected the language is English, and what we're going to do, we're going to be translating this to a different language. So for detected language, it's going to be English, and the language you want to translate to, we're going to choose another language. Come here, click on these three dots, click on choose another language, and we're going to choose a language to translate to, guys. You have almost every single language at your disposal here. For example, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and I will choose maybe a language that I'm a bit familiar with. Let's choose Swahili, and let's translate this page. So the page is currently translated to Swahili, and I can read this out for you. Ninakaa kwenye dawati nikigonga penseli kwa uvivu kwenye uso huku nikitazama saa inayosonga chini ya sekunde upande. So it's really that easy and simple, guys. It has translated, and I must say that has translated really well. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solutions. Turn those bell notifications as well, guys, so you get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.